Hi everyone, welcome back to another session where I'll be looking at today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, very quickly, I'll be looking at the dollar CAD. Right, the dollar CAD, what I have here is the 4-hour chart. And very simply, right, I've also overlaid the indicators already. Right, MACD is below zero, showing the price is in a bearish environment. And also, price is trending below the 21 period EMA, right? Even if I were to put it to 34 seems nicer, right? When price is below the move 34 EMA, the EMA actually holds price nicely, as we can see. Further, in terms of price action, right, we see price making lower lows, okay, and lower highs, right? Generally lower highs. So very clearly, price is in a downtrend. So what we have on the 4 hours here, we can actually use a Fibonacci extension, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, open all Fibonacci ratios to see where price could probably head towards. Now, of course, first and foremost, we have the recent low, the spike over here, right? This can be the intraday take profit level, the 100%, and the next level would be the 127.20. So I'm just going to go ahead and highlight these two levels, okay, as possible intraday take profit level. Why 127.20 is because if price is really in a downtrend, it should make a lower low. So now that we have our intraday take profit levels, let's go down to the 1 hour. And we see that the price has done a very strong push down. Okay, so let's use Fibonacci retracement of this recent move. Okay, and open all Fibonacci ratios. Now, interesting as well is we ignore this spike because this was a very abnormal spike compared to the candles nearby, and we see that the negative 27.20 and the negative 61.8 also falls in line with our 4-hour 100% and 127.2% Fibonacci extension. So this is actually a pretty strong confluence zone, right? But what I really want to see is actually we want to find an entry and a stop loss. Okay, so stop loss, very quickly, I'm just going to put it at 50 because that's also where the moving average resistance is. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight the 50, okay, and also leave the negative 27.20 and negative 61.8 there as well. Alright, so the stop loss will be there. Okay, where the moving average is, let's put this as a stop loss. Now we just need to find an entry. Okay, where I'll put my entry will be this graphical overlap over here. In close, very clearly it is a graphical overlap, right? And if we look to the left, okay, if we look to the left, we see that price actually tested it as a resistance, came back, tested it as a support. So after price has broken below, it should come back and test it as a resistance before going down all the way. Okay, so that will be our sell entry for the intraday trade. Okay, so I'm waiting for price to come back to test it. Okay, and this makes for a very nice risk-reward ratio. Alright, so indicator as well on the 1 hour also shows bearish, further bearish downside. Price is below moving average. MACD is starting to cross below zero, showing a build-up of bearish momentum. So thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day. I wish you guys all the best. Take care, and I'll catch you guys again. Thank you.